So we're going to go over a lot of different things tonight. I do encourage you to just kind of go through the deck on your own terms. I am going to go through absolutely every slide, but as you'll see when we get later in the presentation, I just have a lot of different things that you can try. And some of these might resonate and some might not. But I think what does resonate this evening is most of us who are on social media have maybe become a little exhausted by it. I think it's just become a very saturated place. And if you are an author, it is just endless with needing to be on social media and using social media. So, we're going to talk about so many different fun ways that you can market your book. You can still become a published author, whether you want to be a traditional author or an indie published author, without using and relying on social media. So, like I said, if you're here, you're probably a bit of a social media skeptic, or like I saw someone in the chat, maybe you don't mind it, and you can actually utilize a lot of the things we're going to talk about. You can utilize your already existing audience, but a lot of us, if you're an author or an aspiring author, we feel like we have to be on these platforms, that it is the only way that we're going to get a book deal, that we're going to get the word out about our books. And that is patently untrue. It's actually the reason I started my business and podcast Unreachable, because I started really digging into the data and science behind all of this and just found it to be really shocking. So we're going to go through some of that too. But I really hope you walk away tonight with just a sense of peace that you can definitely do this and build your author platform another way. So, what we're going to cover today, we're going to talk about this social media trap and why this feeling of us, oh, we have to be on it, we have to be on it, why it's actually wrong and why it's not as effective as it once maybe was. We are going to really talk about this quiet visibility strategy. So, when we think about social media, it's all about how many followers can I get? And, it's become less about engagement and connection and more about vanity metrics. So, what we're going to talk about tonight is really building authentic connection without all the shiny noise and feeling like you are constantly on display. There's so many fun practical tools in here. There is this kind of whole social free book launch flow that we're going to go through. So we're going to have fun diving into it. But what